Peloton currently offers American-made exercise equipment and tech applications for at-home fitness to markets in the United States, Puerto Rico, United Kingdom, Canada, and Germany. Peloton was founded in 2011 by John Foley, a Barnes & Noble executive, with the idea to provide an exercise product that allowed consumers the same benefits of working out in a high-end studio but didn't have the time commitment. Peloton went through many series of funding until it came out with its first official product, the Peloton Bicycle, in 2017, gaining instant popularity. The primary at-home fitness product Peloton currently offers is their stationary bike in addition to their stationary treadmill. Both products come equipped with a Wi-Fi capable display that connects to the Peloton network and allows for live fitness classes as well as access to previously recorded fitness classes, thus providing an interconnected network to keep users engaged with new material and competition among users. In addition to stationary equipment, Peloton's tech components and applications are utilized among mobile and PC users to attend various types of fitness classes, exercise tips, yoga, breathing exercises, and much more. In 2019, Peloton raised $1.16 billion in IPO. They have several major acquisitions, including a music distributor, Neurotic Media, and Tonic Fitness Technology, a Taiwanese manufacturer. Exponential increases during COVID with slight downtick the last several months, with gyms being fully reopened. Several competitors have entered the market, including Miro by Lululemon and SoulCycle, which Peloton is suing for copyright infringement. The CEO recently announced the biggest opportunity for growth is its international markets. The COVID pandemic enables big increases with 2 million worldwide subscribers. Over recent years, academic pressures for young students in China have been at an all-time high. Long school hours, excessive amounts of homework, and after-school educational activities have taken a toll on the overall physical and mental health of China's youth. According to China's President Xi Jinping, education should not focus too much on exam results. If the students have not developed healthy and mature personalities, they are not qualified. With that being said, China has issued new nationwide policy in 2021 overhauling the tutoring sector and reducing students' homework pressures in schools. No educational training on weekends, national holidays, or during the winter and summer vacations. China has issued a new 5-year policy to push and promote an extensive mass fitness program from 2021 to 2025. Due to the recent academic relief from schools, China instead is looking to increase the percentage of people participating regularly in physical activity from 37.2% in 2020 to 38.5% in 2025. Citizens are recommended to perform daily exercises at least 3 times a week, with each session lasting 30 minutes. This will ultimately translate into buying more equipment and seeking professional trainers. Also in this plan, China plans to build and renovate more than 2,000 sports parks, fitness centers, and public stadiums. Fitness apps and influencers have played a major role in a shift in lifestyle when it comes to health and sports. Fitness influencers in China have created a wave of fitness followers and positively orchestrated a lifestyle change by sharing their personal stories and before and after photos. Due to its massive fitness industry and social media impact, China's influencers are extremely valuable for promotion and trend starters. According to a report from a Beijing-based consultancy, the entire 68 million fitness population of China were using online platforms to support their sporty lifestyles. This mainly comprised of Chinese millennials in the top-tier cities, leaving abundant untapped opportunities in lower-tier cities. Government issued policies and social media impact has caused a massive upward trend in fitness and sports, especially with millennials and Gen Z. China invests a lot of time and resources into the development of their Olympic sports and athletes. Expectations from their team and athletes are extremely high. With their athletes excelling in the most recent 2021 Olympic Games, this has also been a driving force in China's push for a healthier and more active lifestyle in hopes of promoting sports at an earlier age. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic and recent health awareness, China has seen a huge uptick with home and online fitness. Companies such as Feature, which is a smart home fitness equipment, and Keep, which is fitness apps, have seen a massive increase in the sales and subscribers. Fitness app Keep said its smart exercise bike temporarily sold out as demand soared during the peak of the pandemic. The sports and fitness market in China has seen exponential growth from about 500 gyms in 2001 to approximately 49,860 fitness clubs by the end of 2019 in mainland China. According to a report released by the National Bureau of Statistics, almost 400 million people have actively taken part in exercises regularly in 2019, signaling a huge potential for foreign and local fitness companies to target the China market. With the domestic pandemic being brought under control, over 90% of gyms and fitness studios have been gradually reopened. While traffic remains at 70 to 80% of the pre-pandemic level, the full recovery of the industry remains uncertain, depending on the control of further outbreaks. In China, there's about 57.7% of major fitness app users that live in third-tier cities and below as of February of 2021. Keep, Kudun, and Yodo Run are the most popular sports and workout apps in the country, each amassing over 1 million monthly active users. The fitness market in China has been developing rapidly for more than 20 years, going through various phases of development in the past 2 decades. In the past few years, the fitness industry has once again witnessed accelerated growth. In 2019, the top 18 cities were analyzed, had an estimated total market size of RMB 34 billion, 27,600 stores, and 8.79 million members. The industry is becoming more diversified, with personal training studios, boutique studios, and new model gyms contributing to its rapid growth. As a whole, China's gym market is still in a growth stage with intense competition and lack of unified industry standards. The main factors currently hampering the development and standardization of the industry are market homogeneity, lack of professional management and trainers, and opaque market information. This slide shows the Chinese sports industry growth and estimates for 2021 to 2025. Competitors to Peloton in China are Keep, Yozomi, Youpin, Yousole, Beast, and fitness centers. Keep is the leading fitness app with 92.32 million downloads. They also have fitness-based products. Yozomi Youpin launched a stationary bike similar to Peloton, and fitness centers, both large and small, boutiques, are in China. Kodan has 74.37 million downloads, and Yodo Run has 89.72 million downloads. Other apps are MiFit, Joy Run, and Pacer. Keep is the world's largest forum for everything fitness and has more than 300 million users. Keep has a valuation of $2 billion, led by SoftBank. Keep offers nutrition advising, exercise equipment, exercise monitoring and guidance, as well as Instagram-like social networking. In November 2019, Keep launched a stationary exercise bike, and in August of 2020, the company announced it would add live stream courses to its bikes to increase retention rates, which are 60%. Keep is maintaining its lead position in the Chinese market with 23.2% year-on-year increase in the first quarter of 2020. In 2020, Yozomi Youpin launched a fitness bike, the Yousole Beast, which is a 19.5-inch smart bike V1 Plus. This bike comes equipped with a 19.5-inch anti-sweat touchscreen display. Real-time fitness and live sessions can be viewed with the Yousole app. Fitness studios, both large and small, are also popular in China, with nearly 100,000 fitness studios. Large chains include Zhongtian Fitness and LiFit, which are still expanding. Zhongtian has 671 studios and Leafit has 595. China's rapid growth over the past decade has brought on many different changes to lifestyle and diet. The National Health Commission report found that more than 50% of adults are classified as overweight, of whom 16.4% are obese. Although China has gone through a recent fitness and health movement, the social and work culture environment stays the same, which involves heavy food and alcohol consumption. For example, the Chinese business culture requires round-table dinners with heavy alcohol consumption. This type of act shows a level of respect to one another in order to move forward with any business endeavors. This leads to a very unhealthy and unbalanced lifestyle. In 2019, China Youth Daily released a survey on Chinese mobile phone usage among adults, which showed that 84.7% of respondents spend, on average, 3 hours each day on their phones. With technology and internet sectors growing at a high rate, Chinese citizens are spending more of their time on cell phones. WeChat, one of the most popular social media messaging apps in the world, is also a main cause for increased cell phone use. Functions such as text messaging, video calls, taxi service, mini games, WeChat Pay, and story-like posts is what makes the app so attractive. Unfortunately, in this case, simplicity translates into higher volume of phone usage. Economic challenges China faces include substantial debt that has grown the last decade. Beijing has identified the debt as a potential threat to economic stability, and in recent years has tried to reduce the country's reliance on debt for growth. Another challenge is the rapid economic growth. China's growth is based on resource-intensive manufacturing, exports, and low-paid labor, which has led to economic, social, and environmental balances. Growth has subsided on the last few years, causing a decline in the labor force, growth slowing productivity, and diminishing returns on investment. Political factors to take in consideration include that corporations don't have as much influence as they do in the U.S. The Chinese system is designed to keep corporation in line with government goals such as protecting Chinese data or restricting monopolistic practices. Even if corporations build political connections and influence government policy, lobbying often doesn't work in China. The party state is willing to forego corporate profits to accomplish their developed objectives. Companies are able to offer feedback but have less opportunity to push than they do in the U.S. Price of equipment and funding to start this business will be an entry challenge for Peloton. The Yozomi Yupin Yiso Beast is currently 2 times cheaper than the Peloton. Keep Bike is 1/4 the price of Peloton at $424. Determining the right funding to start this business in China will also be a hurdle to overcome. In addition to price, hiring well-known local fitness instructors and brand recognition may be challenging at first. Keep is a well-known brand with fitness instructors and social media platform. We will want to cater content to the local tastes and language. So hiring the right local fitness instructors and engaging influencers will be key. Along with hiring the right fitness instructors, hiring the right marketing and communications team will be just as important. We want to make sure our advertising, communications, and use of social media is targeted and within the right context and forums for the Chinese market. Legal complexities may include knowledge of applicable regulations, tax registrations, permits, and local licenses, and labor compliance. Identifying the right distribution channels and employee management may also be a learning curve when entering China. Employment hurdles will also be a challenge. Finding the right HR experts, local business experts, and employees will be challenging and imperative to setting up this business. There are contract obligations, employment contracts, appropriate insurance, employee benefits, and wage requirements for business in China. Our entry strategy will be to implement an expatriate form from the U.S. at first to transfer knowledge and business practices of the current company, while at the same time hiring a local business expert who can guide the company through legal, political, HR issues, and the local environment. We will set up a polycentric framework and hire local executives to adapt programs and policies to the Chinese environment. Hiring local employees will give the company an advantage as they know the market and customers. Peloton will enter the Chinese market with a differentiation strategy that targets high-end consumers, as Peloton is a premium product through design, performance, and technology. In addition, we will hire local fitness influencers and celebrities for brand endorsement, along with forming partnerships with hotel chains for free trial membership. Brick and mortar stores will be established in